For task lighting, the fixture should be installed centered above the workspace. Our SF track with a minimum 180 LED per meter strip is what we recommend.
Sounds simple, right?
Take, for example, a standard countertop with cabinets installed above. Now consider the whole space to make sure there aren't multiple lines of sight. The cabinet can be modified to mask the source of light. Oh, careful! It might not be as simple as it first seemed. There are many options available. Remember that light travels in straight lines. You can predict where light will be visible by using accurate plans. Another important thing to consider is the wire path at the end of the fixture and its connection to the power supply either within the unit or in a remote location. For more information on this, please refer to our video about wiring and installation where we go into more detail.